Making some Belgian mayonnaise today. I have ingredients: white wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, 400 milliliters of sunflower oil, 2 egg yolks, salt and white pepper. So this is a super easy process. I do this almost 3 times a week, I guess. That's how much mayonnaise we eat. But let's just get started. So I start with putting the egg yolks in the bowl. A bit of a dash of vinegar. I think this is like 1 tablespoon. Tablespoon of mustard, a little bit less. There you go. And that's basically stirring that. As you see, I use a hand whisk. I prefer this a lot. I see many videos with using a blender, a stick blender, but this is for me the easiest way. It's consistent, it works all the time. So it should take less than about a minute, I guess. So just start dripping in the oil. And you see I'm not whisking very hard. I'm just stirring really. I believe the stick blender goes a little bit too fast. That's why you get an inconsistent result. Also the egg yolks, it should be good quality, so I use free-range eggs. And you can see already it's very thickening a lot. So Belgian mayonnaise should have, normal Belgian mayonnaise should have by law at least 5%. Egg yolk, I used 2 egg yolks in this case, so this is, they were 40 grams, so it's like traditional mayonnaise. Which should have 7.5% traditional mayonnaise. Put the rest in, and just work just fine. So of course we need a bit of salt as a flavor enhancer and a bit of white pepper. Stir it in. And there you have it. Real Belgian mayonnaise, better than anything you buy from the store. Delicious.